it's all about Jamaica's worst game. You deaf, we the baddest. And as they say, connect.
Yo. What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S Gamer here with another reaction. And today, guys, we're here with another promotional video. We're here with 1ofkind, Changing Man. 1ofkind, Changing Man. This is on the 8 Broken Rhythm. The 8 Broken Rhythm is produced by One Mancha Record. One Mancha, if you remember, good if you not follow closely, we're gonna see me react to one Mancha song already. Well, four altogether productions from them. And his son, his 14-year-old son David. So this is the brother of One Mancha. His name, 1ofkind. So a link is gonna be left down on the flat. I want you to go and check this one out. You don't have to be a Christian to listen to nice music, to good music. All right. So this one is 1ofkind, Changing Man. I like the title of it. Let's see if we're gonna like the song. Let's go. Let's go with me.
Changing man, changing man, changing man.
Let's go, 1ofkind.
When me look back in my life and I see what God has taken me from. Sometime when I do the right, the next day I do the wrong. Me and my church with a reason, me tell him deep down me don't understand. So me keep on put my trust every day to the Holy One. Me still a hope, still a pray. Asking Father God for God me show me the word. Me feel like every time I pray.
Hold on, man. Hold on a minute. Listen to me. This is produced by his brother, One Mancha. One Mancha Record. They are the only one that's putting in all the work and all aspect of things. In the last reaction, I asked for video, but I understand, say, every song now going to be video because of them alone I spend. You understand? So, if you guys can go and support, please go over there and support. Go over there and support. A link is going to be left in the down below for this song.
Changing man.
I like it.
Changing man.
No cap, I like it. Yes, man. Big up all of my churchgoers, them, man. Big up all of my God-friend people, them. Ready?
When me look back in my life and I see what God has taken me from.
Yeah.
Sometime when I do the right, the next day I do the wrong. Me and my church with a reason, me tell him deep down me don't understand. So me keep on put my trust every day to the Holy One. Me still a hope, still a pray. Asking Father God for God me show me the word. Pray for long life, every time on prosperity. Only thing you dirty at for pray for vanity.
A truth. Only thing some of them dirty at, most of them dirty at pray for vanity. That's all them pray for. Riches. What is riches? What is riches? But man, they don't ask you already, know. What is riches?
Don't understand. So me keep on put my trust every day to the Holy One. Me still a hope, still a pray. Asking Father God for God me show me the word. Pray for long life, every time on prosperity. Only thing you dirty at for pray for vanity. So I always gonna sing, give thanks is to the King. So I always gonna sing, give thanks is to the King. Me look up on the drama and the pain them, the mountain and they set me up, but Father God shame them.
Ah, God. So him say him look back on the drama and the pain them, the amount of time them try to set him up. But what? God shame them. God shame them. Yo, on all is a ball out for good music and nice music. See good music and nice music, yeah? See good music and nice music, yeah. 1ofkind produced by One Mancha Records, dog. A very independent label. Them alone do everything like me mentioned earlier. So what I do?
This is to the King. So I always gonna sing. Give thanks is to the King. Me look up on the drama and the pain them, the mountain and they set me up, but Father God shame them.
Yeah.
My God is so real. My God is so real. My God is so real to me. To all my fans, them go through the bad time. Go through.
He make that line the repetitive. My God is so real. My God is so real. He make that so because he want to get the point across of what he's trying to say to you. Him God real. Our God real, my God real, your God should be real too.
And the drama and the pain them, the mountain and they set me up, but Father God shame them. My God is so real. My God is so real. My God is so real to me. To all my fans, them go through the bad time, go through the rough time, go through the time I pack it out, don't have a dime. When me look back in my life and I see what God has taken me from. Sometime when I do the right, the next day I do the wrong.
You know what is our problem? We don't appreciate the little way we have. We always try look at it in a negative. Like, yo, appreciate what you got. There's always somebody out there have less than you and still not complaining. Appreciate it, man. You man tell us I appreciate it.
Sometime when I do the right, the next day I do the wrong. Me and my church brother reason me tell him deep down me don't understand. So me keep on put my trust every day to the Holy One. Yeah. The amount of people who want to see me dead, I feel stay through me nigga, yo, in a real fire. Cause some of them, so me keep on put my trust every day to the Holy One.
Second verse now.
The amount of people who want to see me dead, I feel stay through me nigga, yo, in a real fire. Cause some of them are Christian, some of them are bad man, so you know, say a real killer. Took a couple years back, you know, you staying at the good with my friend Panny Black, you know, used to do the wrong, you forget the cash, you know. So
yo, he might tell you how God changed him life for the better. Him find God now, he's at peace with himself. So him know say, yo, if him drop flesh tomorrow, heaven's gate. Yeah.
Some of them are bad man, so you know say you only one. The amount of people who want to see me dead, I feel stay through me nigga, yo, in a real fire. Cause some of them are Christian, some of them are bad man, so you know say a real killer. Took a couple years back, you know, you staying at the good with my friend Panny Black, you know, used to do the wrong, you forget the cash, you know. Smoking drink, grow my boom till me cross, you know. Girl them there about me gun in me lap, you know.
Enough of we still go through the life there. Sit down on the block with your friends them. I ends out, I drink boom. Yeah, I drink boom and rum with weed, I rub out in a hand miggle with big matic pan waist, boy, I lack ends. And as I said, there's a bigger picture out there. There's a bigger picture out there, man.
You staying at the good with my friend Panny Black, you know, used to do the wrong, you forget the cash, you know. Smoking drink, grow my boom till me cross, you know. Girl them there about me gun in me lap, you know. Any boy this ready for make this step, you know. Be a bad man there, so I instant that, you know. The bushmaster the aching and left me corner. Me
I can't believe that this is a Christian song, right? This song is flipped. He's telling you what he was going through. He's telling you his past life. He's telling you what he used to do with him friend them. Pan the block. Hang out. All heap of girl, big gun in a waist, tucking. He might tell all of them something there. You know why? Because he's not afraid of for his past. He's not afraid of his past. He's not afraid of his past. So you know what? He know when past did there. But him know exactly where him future go. So you guess what? Him confident with it. You know why? Because him God is real. Yeah. You don't have to support good music, yo. You don't have to support good music, yo.
No, be a bad man there, so I instant that, you know. The bushmaster the aching and left me corner. Me have the rifle, them know the jammer. Regular me friend them drive by in a car. I shoot us some boy head back pan them corner. Go make love to me brown girl, Nana.
You hear that? You hear that? Whole heap of time him friend them go out, they go make step. Used to. Go out there, go make step. Shoot up boy pan corner. And think nothing of it. Go home, go make love to him girlfriend Lana. Lana all the day, I wash out bloody clothes. I wash out clothes. Angle stolen goes, angle stolen money. That is the life that he doesn't want to live anymore. So God is real. He's a changing man. That's what the song is called, Changing Man. Produced by One Man Record. Him brother. So I like how them keep it in-house, a family thing.
I shoot us some boy head back pan them corner. Go make love to me brown girl, Nana. When me look back in my life and I see what God has taken me from. Sometime when I do the right, the next day I do the wrong. Me and my church brother reason me tell him deep down me don't understand. So me keep on put my trust every day to the Holy One. Father God, I get the praise, no one get the glory. Him alone know everything, I know the story.
A 3 verse and I get in the dog.
Father God, I get the praise, no one get the glory. Him alone know everything, I know the story. And let me right now that I can be a better man. Every Sunday me a Bible youth in the end. Enemy a team up, enemy a plan. See me a got church and them say I me one. So him rising 38, so him gonna kill man, but me laugh. True him not understand, Father open up his spiritual eyes and make him see the most holy angel are walking with me. Open.
So you see my walk by himself on the road at Sunday daytime I go to church. Or any day to be frank, any day at all. You see my walk. Him having Bible in him hand, but don't think I'm alone I walk. I know him alone I walk.
I'm rising 38, say I'm gonna kill man, but me laugh. True him not understand, Father open up his spiritual eyes and make him see the most holy angel are walking with me. Open up youth and just a catch it, just a find out the reason why I'm gonna killing me, yeah. I'm so protected, anointed by the Most High, so I don't care. And they don't care. So protected, anointed by the Most High, I don't care. And they don't hear them a try. So protected. Yo, Minx, body engineer, man. Response to 1ofkind career, man. Hey, mark them. Yeah, good youth. Let them know. God bless.
Yo, a 1ofkind. A 1ofkind that. I tell you about in production team. You see me? One man record. Yes, produced by them. In brother, in blood and flesh. In brother. You see me? So, son is an artist. Big brother is an artist. Little brother is an artist. But they're all musicians. Come together, they're all musicians, guys. Go and check them out. This one is over on 1ofkind YouTube channel. Link will be left down on the flat. If you appreciate good music and want good music, like you always attack, say yo, I be a booger yaga, be a booger yaga. Sisangya? We don't have no farmer boogie. The message is clear. He's a changing man. Him change him life. God change him life. So this song where you can go and actually meds and listen to it beside our grandmother. Yeah. Big up the production team. Can't stop big up. You see me? Yeah, big up the production team. Big up One Man Chap. Big up David, same way. That's the son. You understand? Yeah. Remember, guys, a link will be left in the flat for this one. It's gonna be pinned at the top of the comment section. Just go over there, go tell them, say, yo, a JAMAICA'S game I send you over there. You understand? But this time I'm going to leave that one still. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Also, click on any one of these two videos and you get a One Man Chap or a David reaction again. Alright? I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.
It's all about Jamaica's worst game. You deaf with the baddest. And it's a rip connect.